Nervous about asking out an otaku girl? Deep breath. First rule, check the stereotypes at the door. She's a unique person with her own quirks, not a walking trope. So focus on getting to know her as an individual. Want to meet her? Log into active online forums or brave the real world by frequenting manga shops or an anime convention if you're feeling extra bold. Keep in mind that while Westerners use otaku specifically for fans of Japanese pop culture, like anime, manga, and J pop, in Japan, it refers to anyone obsessively passionate about any niche topic. When you approach her, skip the cringe pickup lines. A simple conversation about a series or asking for a recommendation works wonders. Do a little homework on her favorites so you can actually follow along with her legendary rants. You don't need to spend a fortune either. A cute Totoro plush beats generic jewelry any day. Respect her obscure interest, compliment her genuinely, and remember that winning her heart just takes a little effort and a whole lot of authenticity.